Yes, I need to make sure I have everything I need. Invitation. Almost forgot. I'll put it here. I need to dress up. Let's see. Nope. I don't think so. Oh. There! Yahoo! Okay, I think I'm ready, but... Oh no!
Sammy, what's the matter?
I'm going to a slime birthday party. I have everything I need except for a gift bag. I can't just give a gift without a gift bag, can I? And there's no time. This is just horrible.
Oh, there, Sammy. I can help you. Come. Hi, guys. I need to save Sammy and make him a lovely gift bag, especially since we have everything we need for this. Some festive paper.
Let me see. I'll be the one carrying it after all. Yes, it will do.
Good. We'll also need a ribbon. I have several to choose from. Sam, which one should we use?
This is a very important decision. Need to think. This one? No. This one. Yes! Very festive.
All right. I'll also need...
Tape?
This time, we can do without it. We need glue.
I'll bring it for ya.
Thanks. I will also need this hole punch. So, minus the glue, that's everything. I can start. I'll take this piece of paper and fold it in half, just like this. There. Now, I need to fold the edge, nice and neat. I'll press it tight to get a clear line. Now, let's open it. And fold. I'll need to glue this side, but where's the glue?
Coming!
Whoa,
There.
Sammy, that's a lot.
Well, just in case. You need it, don't ya?
Yes, thank you. I will take this one and set the rest aside. Now I'll apply some glue, just like this. Super easy. And to the other side. There. Now we'll press it tight.
Ooh, I can press it tight too, to make sure. Like this.
I think that's enough. Any harder and you can crumple it. Let's continue. So we have the base. Now we need to make the bottom. We need to fold the paper this way.
Oh, I'm so nervous. There will be so many unfamiliar slimes.
I'm sure you'll charm them all.
Well, not that I'm boasting, but I always become the center of every party. You know, tell them about my adventures, or a joke, and voila!
Well then, there's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, just make the gift bag, or I'll be making the wrong impression.
It's almost done, Sam. Just a few easy steps. And there. The bottom is ready.
Okay, and now what?
Well, now I need to make the sides. Like this. There's 1 and 2. There. I'll unfold it very carefully and cut off the excess. Remember to be careful with the scissors, guys. There. Now we'll shape it up a bit.
Looking good. Now the ribbon.
Almost. I need to make the holes for it first.
This hole maker is a bit scary. I think I'll keep away from it.
It's a hole punch, Sammy, and it's not scary at all. It'll quickly make 4 even holes. Look! Ha-ha! Now it's time for the ribbon. Hey, Sammy, what are you going to give as a gift?
Myself, of course. After all, I'm the best gift at any birthday party.
Yourself? But that's not...
Huh?
Well, you're a gift, no doubt. But I'm sure the birthday slime wants something, more material.
Like what?
Like something sweet. I think it's a great gift idea. Let's see what we have.
It'll be boring, but all right.
Okay, here's what we have. What does your friend like?
Let me see. Not this one. That one's boring. There! This one.
All right, let's put it into the bag and you're good to go.
Oh, yay! Thank you so much, Susie. You've been a great help.
Guys, did you like this idea for a gift bag? Give a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you make a bag like this, send Sam and me a photo. It'll make our day. See you soon.
Well, I'm off.
Go on, have fun.
Haha.